Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and use Gemini CLI in Windsurf. So this is really simple. First of all, what you need to do is that you need to open Windsurf. Then here at the top you will see this view option. So you need to click on view, and here you will see the terminal option. So you need to click on terminal and it will open a terminal over here, you can see. So right now what you need to do is that you need to go to any browser, and in the browser you need to search for GeminiCLI.com and press enter. So once you come to this website, you will see a command over here, npm install -g at the rate of Google Gemini CLI. So we need to copy this, then we need to go back to our Windsurf and we need to paste the command over here. Then you just need to press enter. So once you press enter, it will start installing Gemini CLI in our Windsurf, and it will take a few seconds to install. And there you can see installation is complete. So when the installation is complete, it means you right now can use Gemini inside Windsurf. So let me just close this and let me open a folder here. So I can just click here open folder, or I can also click on file, then click here open folder. And here let me just go to a folder and let me create a folder here. Let's say the folder name will be Windsurf Gemini. You can name the folder anything you want. Select this folder, then click here select folder, and this folder will open over here, you can see. So right now we're going to click on view again, then click on terminal. And here in the terminal, since Gemini is installed, we can just say here Gemini and press enter. So it will open the Gemini CLI over here. And there you can see. So first of all, we need to trash this folder. So we need to choose the first option and press enter. And there you can see it's done. So right now we can give any kind of prompt and Gemini will write the code for us. So here you can see right now we are not logged in. So in order to sign in, we need to give a command which is /auth. So we are going to say here /auth. There you can see manage authentication. So press enter. So it will show you three options: sign in with Google, use Gemini API key, or Vertex AI. So the easiest one is sign in with Google. So we're going to choose the first option and press enter. And we're going to say here yes, continue. So it will automatically open in a browser and you just need to choose your email address. So we'll choose the email address, then click here sign in, and there you go, authentication successful. If we just right now return back to our Windsurf, there you can see you have successfully signed in with Google. So right now we need to restart, and in order to restart we need to press R. So I am going to press R and it will take a few seconds to restart our Gemini CLI inside Windsurf. So right now we are signed in. So here we can give any kind of prompt and Gemini will generate a code for us. So let me just give a simple prompt that I want to build a simple login and registration page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I'm going to press enter, and here you can see right now this folder is empty, and we also need to give a permission. So we are going to say here allow for this session and press enter. So it will first generate a plan, then it will start creating files and write code for us. So this will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see it is now asking for some suggestions. So you can choose any of those options, whichever you would like. So let me just choose the second option, then press enter. Then I'll choose this option static, press enter and press enter again. So there you can see our planning is complete. So right now it will start building our project. So I'll just fast forward the video until it's complete. And there you can see it started creating the file. It already created index.html. If I now just click on it, you will be able to see the code over here. And there you can see style.css and script.js is also complete. So there you can see it's done, and all of this took only around a minute. So right now let's go and open the index.html file. So for it, let me just go to my folder. I'll go to my new volume E, and here you can see Windsurf Gemini folder. Let's go inside, and I'm going to double click on this index.html, and there you can see it took us to the login page. And if I now click on sign up, it will take us to the sign up page. So yeah, this is how you can install Gemini CLI in Windsurf, and this is how you can build any kind of project using Gemini. So I hope this tutorial was useful. And as you can see that we are using the Gemini free version. So if you want to get the paid version, all you need to do is that you need to go to the GeminiCLI.com, and then you need to go to the plan option. Here you can see plans, and you need to choose the Gemini AI Pro version, and then you need to just sign up using the same email you used to log in over here. Okay, so I hope this was useful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.